Package dimensions of the product as 32.004 h by 6.096 l by 28.702 w, centimeters. Fits multiple makes and models. Contact seller with your vehicle for fitment compatibility information. Part number: PSL400. Package weight: 1.497 kilograms. 4x4 Posi-Lok replaces the vacuum actuator with a cable-operated actuator that puts the driver in control of the engagement from inside the cab. After engaging the transfer case, a 1-inch pull of the 4x4 Posi-Lok cable connects the right front axle to the intermediate shaft using the shift collar and fork, and four-wheel drive is engaged. Simply reverse the procedure to disengage four-wheel drive. 4x4 Posi-Lok also works great with lockers. When the front axle is locked, you can disengage the passenger side in order to make turns without wheel hop. Kit includes new cast aluminum housing for the central axle disconnect system. Heavy-duty cable. Easy-to-follow instructions. Complete wiring system to ensure the 4WD- indicator light functions properly. Top reviews from the United States. Great kit. No more wondering if the axles are gonna engage or not. Push button and pull cable and it's going. Directions could be better, but altogether it's well worth it.